Welcome, welcome, welcome. Special day. It's my birthday. 30 years young. Here with. It's my birthday. Yes, it is. Yeah, 30 years old. Today is my birthday. So happy birthday. Yeah, my birthday. Love you. 392 ScatPack widebody charger. My man, yes sir. She said she like. You like? I like. You like? What? You like it? Do you like it? Do you love it? Yeah? That's what I'm saying. I know. That's insane. Has the daytime running LED. There's no fog lights at the bottom with the wide body package. But who needs that? All this is functional. All that is functional. Everything down there is functional. All that stuff. Ooh, I didn't even realize that. Look, I have a mini hook scoop. That's probably why I look that aggressive. Right? Beautiful San Diego, guys. Beautiful San Diego. So I got 305s tires. Pulls. They're really meaty. But you need that for all the traction and power and stuff like that. It was right that they had to go to 305s. So check out, they got 6 piston caliber brakes. Look how big those brake pads are. I like the wheel spokes, how it looks clean. As you can see, 392 badge on the side. Front fender goes all the way around to the front. Again, I explained there's no fog lights under. Now in the bulge, so the bulge on the front hood, it doesn't look that noticeable until you get inside of it. But this is a aggressive look. Look at it. Now we're gonna check out the interior. Nice plush material, squishy, red leather. Soft, squishy material with the red Alcantara. Look at that. That's that suede right there, Paul. Look, touch me nice. This car just looks aggressive. Let me put up the seat. Plush interior. Look. Is that velvet? Is that velvet? Leather. Oh, my seat was all the way back, so bear with me. Alright, I'm here. So much room. Now, if my seat was all the way up and wasn't so far back, it would be way better. Just look at the interior. Carbon fiber with the red, it just pops, man. It looks really. ScatPack wide body 392 Hemi Charger. That was a lot to say. I want to give a shout out to my brother Muhammad for allowing me to rent this car for my birthday. I will drop his IG or his social medias platform in the link. But let's check this out. So he implemented the carbon fiber, which I think that it just took this to a whole nother level. Carbon fiber all on the wheel. Of course, this is leather steering wheel, heated, Carbon fiber all the way around. I like how my boy did this. The carbon fiber all the way around. Nice plush material with the 392 badge with the B, because you are in the ScatPack, of course. For a car that's supposed to weigh 4,000 pounds, I think it's 4,325 pounds. Dude, this car moves, man. Rear wheel drive, so it I like to call it, it whips out, the tail whips out so much it just be slime. But this car is I wouldn't say nimble, because it's bigger than a Porsche or anything like that, but this is a brute, all American muscle, man. I really enjoyed this rental. Probably one of my favorites thus far. I mean, the Maserati that I had was just an exceptional vehicle with technology and everything like that, and it had enough power. But this ScatPack wide body charger is insane. Okay, the only thing I did not like about this car, they have the smallest paddle shifters in the world for almost. Come on, bro. What am I? Yo, come on, man. That's like a full for my finger. Come on. It's terrible. Alpine speakers. Oh, man. I think that's so cool how they got the front scoop on the car. It's crazy. And this guy's he was a little bit too close. Yeah, you know. Thank you, brother. Oh, you do?
Yeah, you looking for something?
Not right now, I'm not. Trunk size is huge in this. Huge. My boy just asked me that I want to buy a house. Not in La Jolla. I'm not a millionaire yet. Not yet, brother. Not yet. We're gonna pop this hood. I feel like they could did a better job with that. That is the big boy right there. 6.4 liter V8, 485 horsepower, powered by SRT. Like how that just looks, dude. The cool intake system. It's just mean, bro. This thing, this big purr, this big kitty purrs. Facts, man. That's insane. As a daily street drive, from what I did my research on, this 2022 ScatPack wide body is a better daily drive than having a Hellcat. Now, 485 horsepower is totally enough. I'm going to show you how this thing screams. Not going fast, not being. Just watch when you go under underpass. This is like so cool. Just watch. Watch the big purr, guys. This is the big purr. We're going on the passage. 2. Look, there's a person under there. Watch this. 1. Yeah, that's just a for a car that's 4,000 pounds, this car is light. Not light, let me not say that. It's a heavy car, but the drive of it is like hard to explain because it's not as stiff as I would think it would be. Again, this is a perfect daily drive to just drive every day. It has all the power that you need, 485 horsepower, which is immaculate. This thing just sounds crazy. The response on it is insane. It's just a beast, guys. That's crazy. It just turned 6.